Hello guys, this is Vijay. Today we are going to see a new concept called integers. This is a data type in Python. It is available as int. We can call these integers as int in this language. Generally, we have in mathematics plus, minus, modulo, divided by, and multiplication symbols are available in the mathematics. Percentage operator is a special operator in Python we are using for taking the remainder of a division. We are going to use a percentage operator, and also we can execute Python commands simply in the terminal by writing Python as a command given to a terminal, so that we can see three angular brackets inside the terminal. Let us see practically what we have learnt now. Let's go into the terminal and change our directory to the working directory. First, I am changing my directory to my drive to E drive. Then I am changing into working folder. This is the working folder. I am listing out the files and folders available in this one. Not actually this one. It was a mistake. It was CD Telugu Hour. This is the folder we are working right. Let's clear the screen and list out the files and previous programs we have did. These are the programs we have seen previously. Hello.py and quotation.py are the Python programs we have previously seen. And this is the folder of videos which I am posting for you. So let's continue with Python. If we give a command simply Python, we will get three angular brackets like this, so that we can execute any Python command in this way. We can do some mathematics from here, like 1 plus 1. If we give 1 plus 1, it gives out 2. We can add something, we can do subtraction, multiplication, division. We can check some reminders. We can check a percentage operator, how it will work. For 10 percentage, if we see 3, what would be the expected answer? Might be it should be 1, right? 10 divided by 3 is it's 9, and the remainder is 1. So it gives out a 1 as the answer. So that's the percentage operator. And now we will open a new file. We will exit from this Python terminal. This is a live way of executing Python code, but we don't prefer usually this one. We will exit from this and create a new file called calculator.py. So to create a calculator.py file, let's write code calculator .py. In this way, we will open a new file in our VS Code called calculator.py. In this, we can store our program, Python program. We are going to write our program from here. First program, let's create two variables called x and y and simply add them. There is no much complicated thing to be explained in this. We are creating two x and y variables and simply adding them and just printing out the value. and the sum is we have treated this we have learned these multiple parameters to pass into a print function, right? Simple, it is very simple to see. If we save this program and run the code from the terminal, let's run the code. Python calculator.py. The sum is 3. It is replying, it is giving a response of 3 as the sum of 1 x plus y. Now we will change a little bit this program to called interactive program, little bit interactive. Let the program be like that. So that if we take this input from the user, ask the user for input, let give x input. This is the prompt we are asking for the user to give the input, and next input give y. So this is the another variable we are going to create by asking the user y as the input. So next we are summing up the input and just printing out the sum. We can also write we can also mention comments to make it more readable, like ask the user for x and y, let it be short, and hashtag sum up the values, hashtag show the values. So this way we can pseudocode our program, keep the comments for every line. Just save it, rerun the program. If you rerun the program, what would be expected? We will get 2 inputs to be asked in the terminal, and we have to input two values so that it could sum up and give the answer. And let's go to the terminal. Let's run the calculator.py file, and now it's asking for input x. We are giving 40 and asking for y 50. It is giving 40 50. So what's the error might be here? 40 plus 50 should be 90, but it has concatenated. Actually it is treating 2 values as strings, so that's why the problem comes here. Let's go to the program and add some other code to it. Just simply make this input. When we give the input function is always takes in the format of string, but in order to convert to that integer, we have to typecast by using another function called int. This is the data type available to convert any number from string to integer. It throws error when the value is a string. It only works when the value is integer type. Now let's try this and check out the answer. Before that, save the program, go to terminal, Python calculator.py, give the x input 30, y input 40. Now it is correctly summing up the 2 values. Why? Because in the previous program it was treated as a string. Numbers are treated as string. So that's why the two strings are concatenated in order to print 4050. But here we have converted the input into integer data type so that it could correctly sum up to 70. So that's the reason behind integer data type. Now let's further improve this program or rewrite in some other way also. We can remove this integer function from here and just we can also after taking input also we can convert the x variable into integer. This way also it works. Why? In the previous program we have just converted directly while taking input. Now it was after taking input, we are while summing up the values we are converting it into integer data type. So this way it works as a summing up program. So let's run the program once again. 40, 50, 90. That's it. So this way we can treat the integer values in Python. We can also see more programs later on various data types like float and other floats. Floats are kind of a decimal points. We can see it soon in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Happy learning.